So a lot of people know about the YouTube analytics. This is called video wise or total channel wise. Both are complete understanding for Creator Studio. In this one, first of all, we can know about your complete studio dashboard. We are coming to where analytics is a total channel analytics. The analytics will be checking for month wise. I'll go for this month. The total overview and reach your sub. Total your clicks and impression here, views and unique views also. Coming to this one, traffic source. People how to comment your channel. First of all, what is that? YouTube search 67%, external 17%, suggested video 3.9%, other YouTube future 2.6%, browser future 2.5%, other 6%. See more. Here are the options. How much you are running for playlist screen, end screen, everything will be checking for any option. Next, geography. There is a country wise. India 20,000, US, Pakistan, Bangladesh, UK. These are all your different countries. Next to your age. So which is age will be targeted? 13 years to 17 years, only for 0.8%. 18 to 24, how much? 34.9%. 25 to 34, 44%. 35 to 44, 15%. 45 to 54, 4.7%. 55 to 64, 0.5%. 65 plus 0. Next, your gender. Female or male. Male will be 81%, female will be 18%. Date. Date wise views and watch hours and estimated revenue. Revenue source. Estimated revenue here in this option. This will be subscription status. Not subscriber and subscriber here. 53,000 members are watch video but not subscriber. How many people will subscribe? 2,670. Month wise you can check. January. 55,000 not subscribed. 2,971 will be subscribe your channel. So your option. December. 45,000. 3,000 will be subscribe your channel. Next. More information. What is that? Playlist, device type, ad type. These are all your particular options. So device type. People come into which device? Mobile phone 28,000. Computer 26,000. Tablet 813. TV 263. Game console how much? 23. Next. Anything will be. Subscription sources. YouTube watch page. Your YouTube channel. YouTube search. Interactive feature. YouTube home. Close your account. Other. These are all your features. Operating systems. KaiOS, Roku OS, Chromecast, PlayStation, Apple TV OS, Xbox, Unknown, Windows Mobile, Tizen, and etc. option. So these all will be end screen elements, video, subscribe, best of the viewers, link, playlist, most recent uploads. This is all your viewers know about the analytics report option. The report we can download also. No need to worry about the download option. Select here, we can download purpose, we can do the download. Google Sheet and CSV format. Download it. Next, engagement. Watch time and average view duration. This is a watch time 1.7K and average view duration 1 minute 47 seconds. Each video will be how much time will be watched based on the categories. So that is called any video uploading time. In the screen, cards, playlist will be key role will be play the particular video. Any video, the important option is called cards, in the screen, and playlist. This is a very key role for your particular viewers. Increase the earnings. Audience coming for unique views, nothing but The people coming from regularly on your channel multiple times will be watching. This is the average view per viewer and the subscriber 199 plus. So now will be this is all your how many people get the bell icons, how many people will be gender and female watching the videos, age wise and country wise. You can check the country wise also here. No subtitles CC English and English will be here. Next, we can go to final one is the revenue option. So this is the total your analytics option for your creator studio. This is a total channel. This is a total channel. Now go to particular video. In the particular video, which is view will be getting for a lot of views. 77 views will be here. Check this option where analytics. Same option. Overview. 77 views. Watch time 3 minutes 60 seconds. Subscriber 0, $0.0. Earnings reach 941 impression, 5.4 percentage, 77 views. Unique viewers will be 45. Engagement 3.6 and 2 minutes 48 seconds will be maintain the watch time. Audience unique will be 45. Average here subscriber 0. Last final one is the revenue option. They come in which location and gender is not available right now. They come in where? India only. Is it clear? These are all applications we can use the particular publicity on your options. We call YouTube analytics for particular video and total YouTube channel. What option will be called? Overview, reach, engagement, audience, and revenue option. Write down the categories.